Hello, and welcome to a quick video tour of this beautiful 2010 Chevrolet Camaro 2SS RS. This car is factory equipped with the 6.2-liter LS3 V8 engine mated to a 6-speed manual transmission and has just 8,000 original miles from new. Interior in this car is absolutely beautiful. It still smells like a new car. Go ahead and get this car fired up for you. You can see as it sits today, it has 8,046 miles. Go ahead and get you a look under the hood. Here's the big 6.2-liter LS3. Very, very tidy engine bay in this car. Essentially as new. The underhood liner is also in very good shape. Okay, we'll go ahead and do a quick test drive in this car. Camaro guy there. Very quick car, gets up and goes nicely. A lot of torque out of the LS3. Transmission shifts very smoothly. Just a very, very nice car. Smooth, quiet, power when you want it. See some rain in the distance, so I'm going to try to get this car back before we get hit. Fun car to drive at that 6-speed. And throw it into high gear. there and it settles right back down. Very nice. We're chasing the blue skies over this way. Okay, that will conclude today's video tour of the 2010 Chevrolet Camaro SS. Feel free to reach out in the comment section or use that contact seller button with any and all questions. Thank you.